Hi guys, good morning. So many people has asked for financial freedom. Housewives have asked for financial freedom reading. So now what I have made is these are the blockages why you have not arrived at financial freedom, and these are the steps what you have to do to arrive at financial freedom. Okay. So in what are the blockages? The first card is Ace of Wands. So what I feel is, according to this Ace of Wands, your blockage is all the time you sitting and keeping on only dreaming about, if I have financial freedom, how will it be? If I have financial freedom, what all I will do? If I have financial freedom, how happy I'll be. Only you are keeping on dreaming and imagining things without taking any steps. So this mode of just only dreaming and without any steps makes you stagnant, and that is the biggest blockage. So it will never allow you to march forward towards financial freedom in action. Okay, so you have to come out of this maya. Next is King of Pentacles. This King of Pentacles, like what I can see is, you go and ask for money from your husband or from your parents. Okay, so immediately what they tell is, they obviously they'll object only. They'll tell for what you want, why you want, all the things they'll ask. They'll have thousand questions why you need this money. Okay, and they'll ask for the whole story, what you're going to do with this money. So you have to no other go tell everything to them and get that money. Okay, so even like now you are in need of money, so what you will also do is, you go to them, you tell all the story, you tell the reason why you want money, everything. And in between you both will have fight, you both, in a sense, the person who's receiving and the person who's giving, both will have some misunderstanding, shoutings, fights, everything. At the end, the other person will give money. No, how to tell, secondary thoughts about it. Even though they fight, even though they scold, even though they object, they do everything, and at last they'll give the money to you and they'll go off. And you also, even after complaining so many things about them, telling all nonsense about them, and having so many negative thoughts about them, after doing all these things, you will also get the money and happily spend, happily do whatever you want to do. And what you were like, for whatever you have asked money na, you will do that in reality and you will feel happy only. So obviously you'll live like a king of pentacles only. Then why will you keep think after that, what for whatever you have asked money, after you got the money and after you finished that work, then why will you think about money after that? Why will you think about financial freedom after that? That's all. Matter is over and you will move on to daily routine, isn't it? So this is all is your blockage till now why you are not in financial freedom, means this is the reason you are already being like king of pentacles only. Then why will you keep on longing for money? You are not going to be longing for money now. Then the next is Ace of Cups. This Ace of Cups is like, see, if you are going to earn money, if you are going to run your family, if you are going to live in your own money, then you have to think about, if I don't earn this month, I cannot give rent. If I don't earn this month, I cannot get groceries, I cannot pay my maid, or I cannot pay my cook. All these things will become botheration for you. Okay, there won't be emotional fulfillment. Instead of that, there will be emotional drainage. All the time you will be keeping on thinking only, now what will I do for money, what will I do for money, you'll be chasing money. No, now, but the story is completely ulta. You are in a family, you are either with parents or with husband, and you are asking for money, and you are getting that money also. In between you are having little fights, and you are getting scoldings, you are happening to tell your whole story, whatever it is. Okay, so this is, you are not liking this, that's all. So what you will do, after doing all these things, you will go to temple or you will go to puja room, you will sit in front of god. There also, you like a complaint box, you will have so much of complaint. This person I asked money, he asked this, that, he said me this, that, he fought me this, that. All the botherations you'll go tell out, spill the beans, everything to God. Come back. After telling your botherations, you will become mentally free. Then you will go back to the routine life. After that, also, you won't think, I want financial freedom, what I should do for that. You won't think. You only want to spill out all your botherations, all your, like he said this, he said that, emotional baggage. You want somebody as your emotional baggage. You'll use God as your emotional baggage and come out. That's all, now. So obviously, you'll get that emotional fulfillment. I wanted to tell all this to somebody. I said, and I came out. So my heart became light now. Okay. And anyhow, whatever you ask to universe, that is wheel of fortune. Whatever you ask to universe will definitely give you that. Okay. So only it's upon us how we ask. Okay. So whatever we ask, we have to ask wisely. So if you are going to ask, see, I want to go for a movie this weekend, I want my husband to take me for a movie. Okay, if you ask that, that is also going to happen. So your intention is to see, watch movie, that's all. So you asked that to the universe, and universe gave that to you, that's all. So your dreams is coming true. Whole universe is conspiring to give whatever you want. You never asked, I want financial freedom, I wanted to earn money, and I want to take my husband for a movie. You didn't ask that. So you asked, you want to go and watch a movie with your husband, that happened. So these are all blockages only. These are not taking you anywhere. It's just making you live your dreams in reality. That's all. Next is hanged man card. So what this hanged man card is telling us, see, once you go and sit in front of God, or you keep practicing self talk, whatever it is, you tell, I want to earn, I want to live this, I want to live that passionately. You have visions for like doing your own work and earning money. You have just only visions, and you are always keeping on imagining that without taking any actions. Okay. And now, as of now, you don't have any money by your own. You want something, you're asking for money, you are getting scolding, or you are into fight, whatever it is. At last, you're getting money. Once you get money, now you do that thing, and it comes to reality. You also enjoy happily. After that, still you have complaints, but that person, how he could do that, how he could tell me that this. You go sit in front of God, you express all your pour out all your frustrations to God, then come out, become light. Then you ask your wish to the universe, and universe also makes your wish come true. You enjoy happily, that's all. You forget and go to your next work. So all these times you have never been very decisive or determined to be financially freedomful. It's just a thought then and there which comes and goes. So that is the blockage. You are not being financially independent. You are always being a financial dependent. Only when you take the determination, and when you are very ambitious, when you take the needed action, you march forward towards your action, whatever goal it is, it will become into reality. You are just, whenever you want money, you think about that. After you get money, after you enjoy things, that's all, you forget it. You will never become financially freedom. So these are the blockages. Now let us see what is the actions you have to take to become financially freedomful. Okay, first card is Ace of Pentacles. So what does Ace of Pentacles tell? Ace of Pentacles is like, it's just exact opposite to Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is like always sitting and dreaming. I want this, I want that, all that. Ace of Pentacles is like taking action. Okay, Pentacles is solidity, solid action. So Ace of Pentacles is, every person has their own talents within themselves, and every person has a life purpose within that themselves. That life purpose is going to be their golden opportunity to earn money. For me and all, from childhood days, I have been longing for unconditional love. So now I manifested that unconditional love, and I'm living with that unconditional love. So that is how I became a twin flame coach, and that is my life purpose too. So I'm earning well through that life purpose. So every person has got something like this. They would have suffered a lot because of one particular thing, and they would have found the solution for that thing, and they can teach that to the world. That is the golden opportunity which is hidden within everybody else. Okay, so if they dig deeper and find out that golden opportunity and take step towards that, and they take steps like how to make that into career, obviously they learn well. Instead of keeping on sitting and dreaming, imagining, take action. That is what this Ace of Pentacles is telling. Okay, next card is Tower card. So Tower card is like opposite to King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is like you living like a King of Pentacles, whether you complain or whether you fight, you are getting money and you are living like a King of Pentacles. But Tower card is not like that. Tower card is telling stop that, don't be like that. Tower card is a card which tells whatever old beliefs, old systems you have, old patterns you have, shatter them into pieces. Let that go to the ground, fall to the ground. Create a new space and create a new positive pattern and system. So, like that, instead of you always keeping on asking for money from somebody else and being a dependent, crash that system, shatter that system, break it into pieces, let it shatter down, and create a new space so that you can create a foundation for becoming the financially independent person. So take that action. That is what is Tower card. The next is Five of Wands. Five of Wands is also exactly opposite to Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is like you go use God as an emotional baggage, express all your botherations to God, and come free with a light heart outside. Instead of doing this, sit with your pain. That is what is Five of Wands. Sit with your confusions, sit with your conflicts, and sit with your botherations. List down one by one, what is your botherations. Then arrive at a clarity. Then arrive at what you want to do. So this will make you march forward towards financial freedom. Instead of you going blabbering everything to God and becoming lighthearted, then continuing with your daily routine. Instead of that, sit with yourselves and then do deep soul searching and realize what you want actually in life, what will give you the true fulfillment, emotional fulfillment, and march forward towards it. That is what this Five of Wands is telling. The next card is Magician. Actually, instead of being the Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Fortune is like whatever you ask, it will come to reality. So now you have asked, like, I want to go for a movie, and my husband has to take me to movie. It has come in reality. Instead of that, you ask, I want financial freedom, and whatever it is taking, like for me to get me to financial freedom, I'm ready to march forward towards it. Ask that to the universe, and you yourselves become the magician. Magician is a person, he has all the tools within himself, but he does not use any of the tools. Instead of that, he uses his mind itself as a magical wand and expresses everything through that magical wand to the universe, and makes them come into reality and manifests them and enjoys it. Same way, express your thought regarding financial freedom. Instead of you getting somebody else is doing and giving for you, you enjoying. Instead of that, you express, this is what I want to enjoy it by myself. Ask that to the universe and become financial freedom. That is what is Magician card. The next one is Hanged Man. Hanged Man is leaving everything like in a hanged position and not bothering about things. Instead of that, become Four of Cups. That is okay. Be sad, be very depressed, be very stagnant. That is okay. But still sit with your own feelings and use your emotions as GPRS. Learn what is going wrong. Where is it going wrong? Why am I suffering like this? Always, why am I in codependency? Think about all these things. Know the root cause for it. Then remove the root cause, and then you march forward in your journey. Then find out what is the golden opportunity God is giving you, and march forward through that golden opportunity. This is the steps you have to take for becoming financially freedomful person instead of financial codependency. Okay, so this is the reading for today. So let us meet in some other reading, interesting reading like this. If you have any topics for the reading, you can just list it down in the comment section. I'll make videos. Until then, bye.